Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. That was an interesting back. Today we're going to be continuing with our Lego Porsche 963 from the Lego Speed Champions series. This will actually be my last video for a few weeks. I'm just waiting for some sets to come in. It might not be a few weeks, but I'm aiming for maybe March 10th or March 15th. To start uploading again. The weekly Throwback Thursday Topps cards will still be uploaded, but as for the Lego videos, they'll be kind of on hold for a little bit. But anyway, we're on bag number 2. It's our last bag. This is where we finished off. Let's go ahead and get our bag opened here. Okay, got all those opened up. Now I can start this up. There's that. And there's the first step. And the second page step. Let's go ahead and get those done. Now on to the next step. We need 2 red L's to go there, and another one on the other side. And then 2 black ramp 1x1s, if I can find them. There's one. Okay, am I blind? Where is it? There it is. Okay. There we go. On to the next page. There's that. Kind of putting those things on. And stickers. Yay. So we need that. Sorry. And then same thing on the other side. Like that. Perfect. And now we need stickers 21 and 26. Maybe. There it is. Guess we're doing 26 first. Nope. Okay. There we go. Now we need 21. I think I just pulled it off up there. That's my bad. Okay. Sorry. I have the NASCAR truck race on the iPad, like there. And it's yellow, but they didn't show why. So anyway, more stickers. And then we'll start working on the back. So we need 31 first. That's completely straight. Don't look too hard at it. That was 30, right? Okay, yes. I didn't really look at. And 29 and 28, okay. And 28. There we go. And once again, that's completely straight. Don't look too hard at it. Okay. Now we can turn it towards the back. And we need this white brick on top of kind of a curved brick that's facing out. Like that. And we're going to need 2 of them. Okay, white brick, black brick, sort of a brick, and it goes on the other side, like that. Okay. Let's flip the page and go on to the next step. So there's that. We're doing 2 more of those. We're halfway through the book, as you can see with those staples. And then we're going to be working on, I'm not sure what that is, but let's get these 2 on. There's 1 and 2. Okay, now we can put that to the side. And now we need this 1x5. And we're going to be putting 3 little 1x1s. Couldn't have just given us a 1x3 to put on there. Okay, and now 1x2s go on either side of that. There it goes. Okay. Now on to the next page. Okay. Sleeve's coming down. So we need to flip it, and so dang cat hairs. So we have that, and it goes on top of a stud. It goes in there. Okay. Okay, now we need to stack 3 studs on top of each other. Twice. And they go on the ends, oh, like that. And maybe like that. Okay. Okay, so now we need to move that to the side and get this piece, these two little, or one, I need to find the other one. It's two little L's and some couches on the ends. I call them couches. I don't really know what the official Lego name of that piece is. And then a split couch in the middle. And we're going to close them off with smaller pieces. Or I guess a one-seater, if you will. Okay. And then it just put them in the wrong spot. There we go. And I think that's our light bar. If you know anything about Porsches, they have a light bar now. And I was right. There's where it goes on the back. And there's our next step, which is kind of securing it in place, I guess. Okay. And the two black L's. That is not securing anything in place, but whatever. Okay. Now we're making the shark fin, it looks like. Putting the stickers on. Okay, what just happened? Okay, there's that step. It says they're under caution. There's only 2 trucks on screen, so I'm wondering if the entire field just got caught up or what happened. I don't know. Okay, so if we're looking at it like this, 23 goes over here and 24 goes on this side, so. So there's 23 and 24 needs to go over here. There you go. And it just slides in right here. No, it does not. What? Is this supposed to be even? I feel like I messed up a step because I don't know. Whatever. I probably did. But anyway, we need this with a little black hanging piece. And if we're looking at it this way, it goes right here. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. So we need this and a Technic piece. It goes on this side. Oh, I was like, where does it connect? And my brain wasn't computing that you push it on, it doesn't slide down. Okay, so now I need a white tile piece, and we need to put sticker number 15 on it. $75. I mean, I guess maybe for 75 years at Porsche, but 75 on this is bad. Because this shows your position or your pit time. I mean, 75 seconds in the pits, that's still bad. But okay. And here's the next step. Kind of building more to the shark fin. So we need to start with this piece here. And we need this little curved brick facing that way with a 1x2 black piece. Facing that way. Oh, there it is. Okay. And a little black cover on here. Okay. Lighting's not... Is it supposed to be like that? Having a giant triangle? I don't know. But anyway, on to the next page. There's that. And some more stickers. We have a lot more stickers. So, fun. Okay, so we need one of these. A 1x3. And then 2 studs go on top of that. Okay. Oh, down here. In the book, it looks like it's on here. Okay, and now we need one of these, but not this one. We need the other one. So 17, 11, 10. 3 stickers on one piece. They could have just put the stickers on in the factory. Then I wouldn't have to do this. What? 17. Where's 17? 17 goes here. $11. That is way off. Okay, I'm gonna put it on like this so I can actually see better. There we go. That's weird. And now we need 10. With the bottom, with the red on the bottom. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, that's not straight, but don't look too close at it. black with a hook on it, and it hooks into this thing. And a stud right there. And that's where it goes on the car, just right there. And there's the next step. We're going to be starting on the other side. So okay. Okay. So now we need this, another black piece, but we're looking at it like that, and then 2 studs on top of that. Forgot we need to make it this way. I assume we're going to be doing that next. Yep. So there's that. Step 69. Nice. And that's where it goes. So do 13 first, I guess. And then 12. Red goes towards the bottom again. Perfect. And now we need 18. Okay, there we go. Now we can flip it over, and we need our little 1x2 hook. There it is. And the stud behind it. I am having issues. There we go. Okay. And it goes back here. Like that. All right. There's that. Now on to the next page. Putting on more stickers, it looks like. So there's that. And then we're going to be putting on the wing. Or spoiler, whatever you want to call it. We need 32 and 33. Doesn't really matter how they go on, just as long as they go on. Okay, so that was 32. 32 goes on this side with the black facing out like that. Need another red piece. Now we need 33. Okay, and same thing, black towards the back. Line the stripes up, and there we go. And next thing is a black piece of the wing spoiler going across there. All right, on to the next page. There's that. And that's where it's gonna go. Okay, so we need a 1x... What? Is that a 1x3? I can't tell. Great directions. Okay, so we need this. Black L. This thing here. This connecting them. Flip it over. That there. Stud in the bottom. The stud does not go in the bottom. Okay. Stud goes on top. We need... There we go. This little brick goes in the bottom. But still looking at it like this. Okay, there we go. Got it figured out. Sort of, not really. Okay. Then, like that. I might have to make this into like a two-parter because this is taking way too long. So after this, these 2 pages, I'm gonna end the video and I guess do another one for the next day or tomorrow. But we do need another 1x3, and there it is. Okay. Put it over like that. Oh, we need this thing first. Goes in there. Okay. And a stud on top. Need to quit dropping these pieces. Okay. And there we go. So I'm going to end the video there because this is taking too long. And we're already 29 minutes in. So if you enjoyed that and want to see more of the Porsche 963 be built or finished, go ahead and subscribe to know when that video goes up. Leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.